Welcome to another episode of Pear Tree Ranchin. Okay, so I don't got my riding hat on, I got my working hat. About to take off the boots and spurs. Back over here at the classroom. Kathy's here helping me. We got some filming done, we got horses rode, we did some fun little projects. But I gotta change into my working boots. We got a dad project to do. Johnny's got his park that we've built for him on the other side of the farm, and his little friends are coming over tonight for pizza and hanging out, and I need to go get it cleaned up. And they've got these fun airplane teeter-totters that Big Pete brought over, my good buddy, and they need some welding. So we're gonna go gather them up, bring them over, look at a little welding project, then run the mower quick and see if we can't make it a nice fun evening for the kids to play. Just another day Pear Tree Ranchin. Okay, we got it over here. We got the welding cart. This nice little cart that Steffi got. It's got the Vulcan Omni Pro 220 on it. And all my welding stuff. And we've got the wings. So right here, there's an attachment, and right there, an attachment for the wings. And there's a third point down low here that this is broken off, so I'm gonna weld those on and all together, and the welder hooks in over here. This is a full hookup RV pad, so there's a 50 amp plug right there, and I have an adapter so that the welder plugs into that RV style plug. So I got to get the grinder going, clean up all the spots where we're going to weld, and then dial in the welder and start burning it. Okay, I got it prepped up and fitted where I can start tacking stuff. But the vet just got here. Gray Horse is getting his hocks done today with this cool product called Pro Stride, where they use the horse's own blood, and they splint it and inject that instead of doing steroids. So let's go meet the vet, find out about that. Then I can come back out here and get to welding. Okay, we're here with Dr. Carlos Zamora, and he is currently drawing blood on the gray horse. Can you tell us a little bit more about this ProStride and how it works?
It's basically we're getting his fresh blood with an anticoagulant, and we're going to process that blood. First, we're going to take the protein-rich plasma and then reprocess again, and then we'll take the basically like an IRAP. So it's a combination of PRP or protein-rich plasma and IRAP, and then after that we'll inject it in his joint.
Awesome. So I've known Dr. Zamora for 15 years now, 2007 to 2022, and what we love about what he does is he's the balance of Eastern and Western medicine. So you want the herbs, you want the chiropractic, you want the acupuncture, he does it. You need the drugs, you want that stuff, he does it, and he knows it all. And that for us keeps a really good balance, which is really important to us in the care of our horses. So we appreciate him being here and helping us keep the herd going, and gray horse will be getting all tuned up. So we're gonna get ready and spin this blood. Okay, so we're waiting for the blood to spin. So I grabbed Kathy's gonna help me hold this, and try to get stuff tacked together while I need two hands, and then I can finish welding. Okay, so we got the wings on. So I welded that one down at the bottom there, and then this one up under there, which I didn't clean up yet, but that was awkward. So now we have one ready, just in time, because your battery's about done. So let's get you a freshy battery. Get this other one up here. I should check on the gray horse. Okay, got the welding done. I'm gonna jump on the mower. Kids are here. They're gonna just play in the house for a minute. Go get it cleaned up over there. Let them kids play. Gotta get my earmuffs. And up up on the mower. All right, let's rock out to some tunes and tear it up. Okay, successful mission. Fixed the planes, mowed it up, got pizza, kids played, dads hung out and watched and enjoyed them kids playing. Another busy day of Pear Tree Ranchin. So today's episode was more of a family episode, a little less horse, though we did get to do the injections with Dr. Zamora. It's exciting. So after they did the injections, they finished up with some B12 injections in the hindquarters to help the hindquarters and that low back, which can get sore as a byproduct of the hocks. Good time for them horses. You can hear them dogs barking and playing, and here comes the kids from the park. So we appreciate you being here. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. We'll see you next time.